Welcome to the Portable Off-Grid Sustainable Habitat. P.O.S.H is the acronym, and this is designed for disaster relief in both developed and developing countries. Other things exist that are portable, and other things that exist that are sustainable, but nothing exists that's both sustainable and portable. So what we designed here is a totally off-grid habitat, solar-powered entirely, has water filtration and some air conditioning abilities for tropical and subtropical climates. And what's great about this is it all folds down, fits into two small boxes that can fit in the back of a standard pickup truck. So if you need to take it to remote locations or take many of them to remote locations, you can. The boxes are designed to fit into shipping containers, so you can fit 6 of these habitats into one 20-foot standard shipping container. So if you'd like, we'll take a look inside. So this is our living space. The solar panels feed electricity to a combiner box, which then comes into this charging station and charge controller. So we have a battery bank outside.
You know, during natural disasters, you may not have grid-tied electricity, and so this habitat will be able to kind of like fill the void, and by being able to produce its own power, and so users can be able to use appliances and whatnot to kind of make themselves seem like they're at home, I guess you could say.
This is a particularly nice charge controller because if you were in a situation where you had another source of electricity, for instance a generator, if you had many cloudy days in a row or something like that, you could run the generator and feed it back through this to charge your batteries and also run your systems. So this provides the main power for the house.
So if it rains for 3 days, maybe it's not going to be able to run like all the other all the other electronic appliances, but we are expecting it to run like off the grid without sunlight like about 2 days.
The area I'm actually standing in right here, so if I made a box here, that would make one of the 2 boxes. So all of the walls and solar panels and other components, batteries and things like that, fit into a box that's this size. So that's one of the 2 shipping boxes. That's what we call the materials box. The second box is the wet core box, which is intact over here. So this becomes a solid wall. These filtration devices come off, and then this box just ships as one container that you pop in place.
We worked on ways that those walls could collapse, take apart. We ended up with this kind of frame and panel design that you can see behind me with aluminum members supporting kind of plywood panels. And it was really the most compact and strongest that we could make it.
2 people can put this together. So you build it at basically this level, setting all the solar panels on this level, and then we use these ratcheting cranks to lift the roof, and the rest of the support structure comes out from inside the walls or inside the existing boxes. So here we have a shower and toilet. We can collect unimproved water, and we filter it through several stages of sediment filters.
I think it works out to be 3 weeks worth of water in case like you can't get water or it doesn't rain, or if something happens, you still have at least 3 weeks of water.
And we store our water up at the top to give some pressure. We also have a pump in there, a small pump to supply a little additional pressure. And so you can shower and get water, drinking water.
I don't think a lot of people expected us to be able to finish the whole house by the end of the year. And so I think our team is extremely proud for being able to finish the house and get it operational.
I think it's turned out great. It was in doubt a little bit at the beginning whether we were going to be able to achieve something as big as the scope of this project over a year. And the fact that we have a full working prototype right here, I think is testament to how hard we've worked and how well we've worked as a team. So I'm really impressed by what we've accomplished.
And yeah, that's about it.